In this video, we're going to show you how to install washer nozzles on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the top side of your hood. Accessing your washer nozzles, you want to go ahead and open up the hood. Underneath you're going to find the washer nozzle hose here, and the hose is held in by these little tabs on the bottom of the hood. So you want to go ahead and release a couple of these here. Pop the hose out. Now the nozzle itself will come out through the top of the hood, but we have to undo the hose here. So I'm going to use a pair of hose pliers, and you want to go ahead and grab that and just gently wiggle that off. On either side of the washer nozzle is little clips. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver and just gently push in on these and undoing this. Now this is probably going to pop out on the other side. You're going to reach up on the top of the hood and pull that through. And once you have it out, you have it right here. I'm going to grab the new one and install that. I'm going to take our new washer nozzle and feed this through the hood, and you're going to push it through and it should clip in. Snap that on. Now you want to take your hose here, line that up and work that onto the port itself. Once you get the hose hooked up here, pop the hose back into the retainers. You're going to repeat this process for the passenger side, and once you have them both replaced, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.